So a couple of days ago, I got into this coin called PNUT The Squirrel. I got in right here around this consolidation. I know it doesn't look like much of a consolidation on my screen, but guess what? Just today alone, this coin has pumped 288%. I don't usually cover a lot of meme coins, but I'm noticing a lot of steam and volume really pick up on PNUT The Squirrel. Now, this meme coin is on Solana, and it's primarily based on a controversy that took place with, well, PNUT The Squirrel. It was a rather sad controversy at that too. For those of you who are unaware of it, literally just get onto Google and type PNUT The Squirrel to find out more about the story behind PNUT The Squirrel. But I want to drive in the fact that this meme coin has now reached a market cap of $1.65 billion. $1.65 billion. And if you get onto CoinGecko and look at the age of this token, guys, it's only been trading for 12 days. This is to say that now's the time to be locking in, and it's time to really pay attention to the opportunities that you're seeing across the board. Because as far as life-changing gains are concerned, it can all play out within weeks. Now, how did I find PNUT The Squirrel? Well, quite honestly, guys, I actually found this coin based on the trading volume. I was doing some research on altcoins, specifically the meme coins, and I noticed PNUT The Squirrel actually stood out there as far as volume was concerned, and that got me intrigued. So I clicked on the coin and I noticed the most beautiful chart on those lower time frames. It is a relatively new coin, and every time I find a new coin, I'm usually looking at the 1 hour time frame or the 4 hour time frame, and I found that, hey, this was trending really well. Now, this is before I even found out about the controversy and as well as the community that was being built behind PNUT The Squirrel. This is to say, guys, that you're going to find a lot of memes and themes with a lot of mind share. The idea might seem good, but you always want to check the chart out to see if the chart is also looking good. If the chart looks like shit, it doesn't matter how good the idea behind the meme is. Okay, it doesn't matter. You always want to make sure there's price action backing the idea. If there's no price action and if the chart looks like garbage and it was melting down instead of moving up the way PNUT The Squirrel did, then it's your duty to be looking for better opportunities. Now, as far as the TA behind this chart is concerned, it's actually been very neat. Right, I noticed that, hey, this was a very neat break at around 13 cents. Prices broke out in one fell swoop. That was good 193% just on this candle alone. Now, as far as this consolidation is concerned, this is essentially where I got in. I noticed that, hey, it was putting in a beautiful ascending triangle formation, and it was not just an ascending triangle here on PNUT The Squirrel, but it was also a bull flag that was being marked out by the ascending triangle, with this being the pole right here. Now, if I go ahead and mark out the measured move of that bull flag, where is this going to take PNUT The Squirrel up to? Well, it's going to take it up to $2.63. I shouldn't be calling it PNUT The Squirrel. I should be calling it more based on its ticker. The ticker is P, the letter P, and nut. Okay, PNUT. From where price is at right now to 258, that's another 67% to the upside. Now, PNUT is a relatively new coin, but you can find it on the Mango dashboard, specifically on the 4 hour time frames. Every time the meme coin is new, check the lower time frames to see if you can actually find it on the dashboard. And you can see that we have trend information for PNUT on the 4 hour time frame currently long, and even if you caught it based on the dashboard call, you're up 83% on the trade. Use the dashboard to help you filter out the trades worth taking. There are thousands and thousands of cryptocurrencies out there. How do you know which one actually has a trade on them? Well, the dashboard is going to help with just that. And also, just a quick announcement, we're running a pretty cool campaign where you get 6 months of free dashboard if you purchase the Sprouts program. Now, the Sprouts program is essentially going to teach you how to catch trade setups like PNUT without needing someone to give you a call on Twitter or on YouTube, okay? You'll be able to spot the trade setups on your own. Sprouts program is going to give you the foundations of basic technical analysis so that you may do just that. Now, based on the price action and the momentum that I'm seeing on PNUT's chart right now, for those of you who are waiting on the sidelines wondering, hey, should I be catching a trade right here? Or can I actually wait on a pullback opportunity? Because let's face it, no one wants to be buying after a coin has already pumped a good 200% in less than 24 hours. So where is the next bid opportunity? Well, based on my analysis, the next bid is right here. coming in from around $1.54, going all the way down to $1.26. Now this fits in line with the current volume and the current momentum that I'm seeing on the chart, but more importantly, if I go ahead and switch on the Mango dynamic indicator, you'll find that the dynamic cloud is also working its way all the way up to the $1.26 region as well. And if I zoom out of this picture, notice how ever since PNUT's trend started right here, back in the first week of this month, we caught a bit on dynamic, flipped it into support. Every single touch of the indicator, guys, every single touch of the indicator gave you excellent buy opportunities. Caught a bid on any of these regions, you are significantly up on that trade. In fact, I actually used the dynamic indicator to support my analysis on PNUT. So once again, I'll be looking for price to test that region, because if we actually get a bid on that region, it'll be very easy to manage, because this has been a signature that has held so well throughout the trend so far. In case it breaks, remember, trading is always a game of probabilities, not certainties. If prices actually close underneath that indicator support, you know that, hey, you are wrong on the trade and now is the time to be gunning for a deeper pullback. But what happens here is that you get to either get out at break even or a minimal loss, all right? That's why I always focus on capturing the best, most easy to manage bids on the chart. Keep your trades mango, keep them stress-free. In the Sprouts program, we teach you how to do just that. Now, this is the immediate trade setup that I'm seeing on PNUT. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. If there's any other coin that you want me to cover in the upcoming videos, also let me know in the comment section below. I will now see you in the Discord chat. With this, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.